Rivmate Fastener Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sale, and service of fasteners. We are located in Yongnian District, Handan City, Hebei Province, which is one of the fastener distribution centers in China. Our main products including rivet nuts, high-strength bolts and nuts, hexagonal bolts, PA66 bolts and nuts, and some customized products. We have obtained ISO, IATF, high-end new tech enterprises, Hebei Province Industrial Enterprise Research and Development Institution certificates, and we have complete production equipment and quality inspection facilities to ensure our export to more than 40 countries, including Russia, India, Poland, Turkey, the United States, Mexico, and other countries. We are in line with the world with exquisite technology, high-quality products, and better service. We will steadily develop the domestic market, actively expand overseas technical cooperation and trade, with high-quality products, preferential prices, timely delivery, and perfect pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale services. We always focus on management and corporate culture construction, adhering to the business channel and humanized business philosophy, committed to the synchronous development of business and culture. Rivmate.